Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit or modify a shape in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now I'll edit this rectangle shape. First select Tools option. Now select Comment option. Now click on your shape and select. And here you will find this shape color option. Here you can change shape fill color and border color. Also click this gear icon and shape properties dialog box open. See this. You can add fill color also. See this. You can change opacity here. Here you can change border color. This border line style. See this. And this border line thickness you can increase decrease it. Select OK. Also need this one. Click here and here you can change this border color. See this. Also you can increase decrease border line thickness and click same gear icon and properties dialog box open here. Also here you can change and see this. You can change this reverse and this round. Also you can end this one diamond shape. This close. This an open. Yeah. And finally select OK and select file option, save or save as PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.